Today we're going to show you how to apply a decal onto a storefront window. We'll be using the wet application method for this demonstration. Make sure your ambient and surface temperatures are above 60 degrees before you get started. Step 1. Prepare your surface for decal application. Some cleaners contain a film-like additive that can affect how your new decal will stick to the surface, so we recommend using a preparation fluid before applying your decals. Step 2. Generously spray your surface with application fluid to create a sudsy surface. This is important because the application fluid acts like a hockey table that will allow you to float your decal into place. It will also help remove air bubbles. Step 3. Flip your decal over so you're looking at the back side of the liner. Slowly peel off the liner of your decal and transfer tape. This is something that can be done carefully because you want all the vinyl decal elements to remain on the transfer tape, not the liner. Peeling slowly at a low, flat angle will help. If something remains stuck to the liner, slowly bring the liner down to the transfer tape and apply pressure to the back of the liner to push that decal element back onto the transfer tape. Step 4. Once you have the entire liner removed, spray the back side of your decal with application fluid to help create a sudsy, well-coated layer. Have no fear because Sticky Life decals use a solvent-based adhesive so the adhesive will remain tacky even when wet. Step 5. Apply your decal onto your surface. As you can see, the application fluid allows us to float our decal into place. Step 6. Lightly squeegee the transfer tape from the center outward to remove excess application fluid. The first time around, use a light to medium pressure to first remove excess fluid and ensure initial contact with your decal and surface has been made. Once you're sure the decal is firmly in place, you can apply firm pressure. Step 7. Wait a minimum of 30 minutes or as long as 2 hours before removing the transfer tape. You can also apply application fluid again to coat the top side of your transfer tape. It will soak into the transfer tape and it will help release the bond between the decal and the adhesive used for the transfer tape. The transfer tape adhesive is not solvent-based and will start to break down when wet. Step 8. Remove the transfer tape from your decal with caution. Do this slowly and start from a corner angle. Make sure decal elements remain in place when you start to pull the transfer tape off. If the first piece of the decal is still attached to the transfer tape, you're going to want to wait longer. A good rule of thumb is to pull your transfer tape low to the surface. Step 9. Carefully clean excess application fluid from your window and allow the rest of the fluid to air dry. In conclusion, not all decals are made equally or require a wet application method as demonstrated here. Some decals, like vinyl lettering, can be applied dry. Here at Sticky Life, you can create your own custom decals for various projects through our easy-to-use design tools without minimum quantity limits. If you need help, give us a call.